Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the HSEE 2019 paper. So the questions that we'll be focusing on is from the quadrilateral aptitude section, and question number 40 is what we'll try to solve in this particular video. Okay, so that's it. Let's take a look at the question. In 2019, the age of Eric, Philip and Neville is 30 years. Okay, in 2024, the age of Eric and Philip will be 33 years. The age of Navin in 2019 is uh, initially let us just simply consider the 2019's case. Okay, in 2019 we have Eric plus Philip plus Navin. Their average age is 30 years. Okay, so this we can write plus P plus N is 90. Okay, now in 2024, that is 5 years. Okay, 2024 Eric and Philip's averages. So Eric will age 5 years. Philip, he will also age 5 years. Okay, their average is 33, or Eric plus Philip plus 10 is 66. 66, or Eric plus Philip is 56. Okay, so therefore what we need, Navin's age would simply be 90 minus 56, or 34 years. Fairly straightforward question. So I hope there shouldn't really be an issue with respect to understanding the same. Okay, so with that said, we'll come to the end of the video. We'll continue our discussion on the similar sort of questions, the subsequent videos where we'll cover the further paper as well. So until then, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.